Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a Guinness World Book of Records holder. The LG Gram 16 holds the current world record as the world's lightest commercially available 16-inch laptop. It weighs just 2.62 pounds or 1.19 kilograms. However, this laptop is no lightweight when it comes to performance. My review unit was equipped with an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor at 2.8 GHz. It has Intel Iris Xe graphics, 16 gigs of DDR4X RAM, 512 gigabytes of NVMe solid-state storage, and Wi-Fi 6. There are also a full range of ports, including a pair of USB Type-A 3.2 ports for compatibility with many existing peripherals, dual USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports capable of handling power and up to 8K video, HDMI, plus a handy microSD card slot. The laptop has a thin and clean profile. The lid helps to elevate the rear of the machine slightly when opened for better cooling and typing. But the key feature is how super light it is. This laptop almost feels like plastic, but LG says it's made of magnesium alloy. It meets military standards for durability. Whatever it is, it's incredibly light, especially for a high-powered 16-inch laptop. Okay, so I did say the key feature is how light it is, but the display is also a big deal. This is a WQXGA IPS panel. That's a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. So it's crisp, without text being too tiny at native resolution. It also offers 99% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. That means colors look great and they're also very accurate. Both LG and Intel include software on the laptop that lets you tinker with the graphics, so they're optimized for your preferences. Also of note is the display's 16:10 aspect ratio. This shows 11% more on screen than a 16:9 display does. The screen is also just the right size to take advantage of features like Windows 10's split screen mode. To go along with the extra productive display, LG included a redesigned keyboard. It has expanded keycaps and extra travel for more accurate typing. The touchpad also expands, matching the display's 16:10 aspect ratio. If you want to use the LG Gram 16 as a workstation driving an external computer monitor, you're all set. There's a built-in HDMI port, and those USB-C ports can drive either a single 8K display or two 4K displays. I connected to my own 4K monitor using USB-C. At this point, you have the choice to mirror the laptop's display, or you can go with a two-display setup. That gives you enhanced productivity. You may have noticed during that demonstration how well the integrated Fingerprint Reader works instead of having to enter a password. And I should also mention LG offers a Gram 17 laptop if you want a laptop with a slightly larger built-in display. The Gram 16 is an Intel Evo certified laptop. Ultimately, what that means is that it's fast and it delivers excellent battery life. You may have noticed the dual NVMe storage mentioned there. I contacted LG and confirmed that the Gram 16 is indeed equipped with two NVMe slots, so storage can technically be upgraded. They did reiterate, though, that the RAM is soldered onto the motherboard. In terms of battery life, I did a day with a mix of general use plus a lot of video streaming. I had the battery life setting at better, but the display cranked up. The time remaining kept stretching out, but at around 20% it automatically switched to best battery life, and ultimately I saw well over 12 hours of use. Now, did I mention it's unbelievably light? If you're looking for a high-performance laptop with great battery life, a great display, and a form factor light enough to easily carry around, the LG Gram 16 is tough to top. It's not meant for gaming or editing a lot of 4K video, but it has the power and graphics needed to be a real productivity powerhouse. You'll find it, along with all the latest and greatest laptops and two-in-ones from all your favorite PC brands at Best Buy. To learn more about the LG Gram 16, the Guinness World Book of Record holder as the lightest laptop of its size, Be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.